Stelling here. So now, cube easy. What a move. Mobile battery powered. I have been hurting since by you. I do not what I did you wrong. Okay, I'm begging. Now forgive me. You made me carry yesterday and I took a flight off to your country yesterday. You decide not to talk to me anymore. I was about to ask you for your address, but you don't talk me anymore. And now I do not know what to do again than to go back tomorrow on. I often find myself wondering how I got so lucky to have you as my partner and best friend. You are unwavering supporter, endless patience, and boundless love mean more to me than words can express. Thank you for being my rock, my confidant, and my soulmate. My love, please, Apple Fast for your real membership card so we can together. I miss you so much, and I am getting tired of walking up to an imperative bed. My love, oh, are a persons I want whole life to be dedicated to. Would you let me do what being my girlfriend? If I give you my any gift, I would give you love, lighter pieces, and joy that will be lost forever. Will you please, my girlfriends? Can you please touch me? How to get to your heart? I seem to be loose in your eyes. The world is a little upside down, but if could get to spend every day with you, I do not mind. Can you please let me treat you like Gwen? What you are? The best thing about having forgive is you. We are timeless together. We will always have stability, friendship, lighter, and joy. I love you, sweetheart, darling. Last night I had the most beautiful dream as you were crawling right beside me, but then I opened my eyes and realized that it was just a dream. Sega, what I chose did I have but to go right back sleep as I would rather be when wherever you are with me. I am always lonely here, working lonely every day. But now I needed you by my side. You refuse to come. Is that you are serious? Love is that you are genuine love. I promise to love you forever and treat it you like a queen. Good day to all my love fans, and I love you us out there. I wish you all the most happiest day. Today I am so happy that Allah kept me alive and also kept the woman I'll be coming to be so very soon. I want to you not to worry. I have received your payment for the real membership card. Be next week the will be fixing a date for the trip. I will be coming to your country. So send me your country name me where you are from so I could not visiting you and show you some love package and gift for the lucky ones. Baby, I want to you know whether you are the love of my life, that you are source and mine or no one in the same, and that I will be love you million lifetime from now. You have no idea how happy you make me, sweetheart.